I'm Chris. This video is for the Linus Tech Tips computer build giveaway. During COVID, Linus Tech Tips gave me the courage to build my first PC, and it's still rocking today. I can say that without a doubt, if it wasn't for Linus Tech Tips, I'd have never attempted to build on my own. They made it so easy and explained everything throughout all the videos I watched. Now I have to admit that I have a good working gaming computer, and this submission is not for me. It's for my son, Christopher. He made AP Honor Roll this year, and as a gift, he received Fortnite. However, he doesn't have a PC of his own. He and I love to play video games together and have a great time doing it. It's definitely a way of bonding with him. Now that Christopher is deep into gaming, I would love for him to learn to build a PC, but I would also want him to learn from the best and have something to be proud of. That's why this submission is on his behalf. Thank you for your time and your consideration.